Hey guys, I'm Fireblood. So today is not scripted. I just wanna update that I did order the new MacBook 16 inch with the M1 Max inside, 10 core CPU, 32 core of GPU, 64 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of SSD. Basically, I'm really excited. It's almost like the fastest laptop if you compare like power per watt. And I think I'm gonna switch from Premiere Pro to Final Cut as soon as possible. Maybe like not a serious work, I will use Final Cut. Basically like YouTube video like this video, I will try to edit more in Final Cut Pro so I can get the full optimize with Apple application like Final Cut, Logic Pro 10, things like that. Anyway, so let's talk about the good news and the bad news. So the good news is it is portable. I will bring it anywhere I want. I can work anywhere I want to be, in a cafe. Maybe I'm stressed at home. Maybe not now. Later on, like after the COVID pandemic go away. So the bad news is, you see my PC back here. I think you remember this PC. Like I show it in my video a couple times, and not a couple times, like almost every video, and I'm gonna get rid of it. Of course, I would love to have a desktop PC. MacBook is just the best laptop that you can get, maybe that I can get, because less error, you get full performance on battery, and the display is great. Speaker is loud and quality and all of those things. It's just great for a laptop. So the PC, you get a well-cooled component and things like that, but you need to spend more on monitor, keyboard, and all of those stuff, and they get into trouble a lot of time. Like the Windows get like virus and things like that. The font that I use sometimes it's not working, especially my own language font. So for around like 4.5 grand is really expensive for a laptop. So I'm kind of regret of spending like 4.5 grand for a laptop this expensive. Well, after I watch a couple review, the big difference is the graphic core that is help you can do like 3D animating and things like. Maybe if I'm working on a 3D animating and things like that, it will help me a lot. But for a video editing and things like that, it's not that much. I can like just get an M1 Pro. I can get like 24 core of GPU, and if I want to save more money, just go back a little bit more, like the 12 core GPU. I could use that money though. I could use that money to upgrade my camera body from Sony A6300 to A7 III, a full frame camera. Of course, I can use it for my like shooting, for my work, a lot of things that I could make more use of it. I was too impatient and I ordered immediately before I get a full review. Well, later I should be more patient than that. Maybe if I work hard enough, I shouldn't regret of spending that money, and I still have another pack of money and I can just upgrade. As soon as I get the MacBook Pro 16 inch of my own, I will do a review as soon as possible, and I will do the unboxing, how I feel about it, how it's helped my workflow, editing video and graphic design, and also like some motion graphic. Not really into 3D though, but let's see how it's gonna perform and help me out on my workflow. In this video, I just wanna say that before you buy the new MacBook 16 inch or maybe the 14 inch, let's just try to watch a lot of video on YouTube, how it's performance, how they test it. Of course, I don't have a lot of money to buy all of them and then like compare it like look mini let's just call him Mr. Luke. So yes, maybe try to watch his video first. I also get the idea of how good between like the M1 Pro and the M1 Max from him too. Maybe check his video out, check his channel out. He's a great guy and he spent almost like 25 grand. I mean, that's a lot of money. You can buy like a decent car in my country. I mean, of course in US you can buy a decent car there. In here, not really a decent car, but with that money you can buy a car. That is all I want to say. And yes, maybe you can wait for my video how I can use it for my work, my study, my everything. And also, come on, give me more work so I can earn and like help my MacBook pay back the money I spent. Anyway, thanks you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, stay tuned. I will do that video as soon as possible. Maybe another 2 weeks before I can lay my hand on it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. And I will catch you guys in the next video.